my god, it's my book.
Oh my god! Wow, I don't believe this! This is my book titled The Throne of the Sea, and it will make you believe that when the going gets tough, the tough gets going.
Wow! Oh my god. This is my own book.
I can't believe it because it has been such an exciting journey from writing it to finally publishing it at the age of 16. I wrote about Evil Shadow. It is a horror fictional based book and it consists of 5 characters in it, including me.
I can't believe I'm going to be a published author at the age of 10. I wrote a book called Alice's Adventures with Magical Messiah. The book is about a brave girl, Ali, and Messiah, a magical cat, with a mammoth, and their adventures. Don't forget to read my book on Amazon Kindle.
I have had such an amazing journey writing Kobe and the Secret of Dark Valley. In my book, there is a boy who is on a quest to find a cure for his father's illness. My family and friends are really excited for this book. Don't forget to check my book out on Amazon Kindle. Bye bye!